x to the power 9 plus x to the power 6 is equal to 36. We have to find the value for x and only real solution. So x to the power 9 we can write x to the power 3 then whole to the power 3 plus x to the power 6 as x to the power 3 then whole to the power 2, because when a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m times n. So this is equal to 36. Now let's consider x cube is equal to m. In that case, we have m cube plus m square is equal to 36, or m cube plus m square minus 36 is equal to 0, or m cube plus m square minus 36 we can write it as minus 27 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now let's rearrange it. M cube minus 27 plus m square minus 9 is equal to 0, or m cube minus 27 we can write it as 3 cube, then plus m square minus 9 we can write it as 3 square is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. If you consider a as m and b as 3, and a cube minus b cube we can expand it as a minus b, then times a square plus ab plus b square. So let's expand it as a cube minus b cube. So m minus 3 then times m square plus 3m plus 3 square, then plus again this m square minus 3 square, it is in the form of a square minus b square, differences of square, and we can expand it as a plus b times a minus b. So we can write it as m minus 3 times m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now m minus 3 is common here, so we can take m minus 3 then times m square plus 3m plus 3 square is 9 plus m plus 3 is equal to 0, or m minus 3 then times m square, 3m plus m is 4m plus 9 plus 3 is 12 is equal to 0. Now when a times b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So we have two solutions for m here. When m minus 3 is equal to 0, in that case m is equal to 3. When m square plus 4m plus 12 is equal to 0. Now for m to have a real solution, we can check if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then we have a real solution. If not, there is no real solution. B here is 4, a here is the coefficient of m square, that is 1, and c here is 12. So b square is 4 square minus 4 times 12. 4 square is 16 minus 48. This is less than 0. So no real solution. Now m is equal to 3. M we considered as x cube. So x cube is equal to 3, or x, we cube root both the sides. So this cube gets cancelled with this cube root. So x is equal to 3 under cube root, or we can write it as 3 raised to the power of 1 upon 3. Because a raised to the power 1 upon 2 is equal to square root of a raised to the power 1 upon 3 is cube root of a, and so on. So when it is cubed, it gets cancelled. So x is 3 raised to the power of 1 upon 3. Let's verify this answer. X is 3 raised to the power 1 upon 3, then whole raised to the power 9 plus 3 raised to the power 1 upon 3 whole raised to the power 6. We have to check whether it is equal to 36. 3 raised to the power 1 upon 3 times 9 plus 3 raised to the power 1 upon 3 times 6. 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 cube plus 3 square. 3 cube is 27. 3 square is 9. So LHS is equal to RHS. Answer is verified. So x is equal to 3 raised to the power of 1 upon 3. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.